On a recent motorcycle trip in central Mexico, I decided to stop and visit Pena de Bernal, a monolith that's one of the 13 wonders of Mexico. The monolith rises more than 1,400 feet above the magical pueblo of San Sebastian de Bernal. Pena de Bernal is the third largest monolith in the world. It was formed from an extinct volcano approximately 8 million years ago. Come join me while I visit this magical pueblo and I climb up the monolith for some terrific views of the region. Well, I'm riding through the largest city in the region. I think it's called Querétaro. I might be butchering that, but Querétaro. And I've been riding on this freeway for a while through the city. It's a big sprawling modern city. Supposedly there's a historical downtown. My guidebook has a whole section on it, but I'm not going to go there today. It's just it's kind of overwhelming for me, so I'm just wanting to get through it and get back into some nice motorcycle riding roads. All right, I didn't expect to be doing that on this route, but I'm coming into Bernal. This is a very famous area. You can see this rock out up ahead of me, and it's kind of a destination, a tourist destination. So I didn't plan on having it on this route. At least not today, but I'm going to stop. Might as well check it out today. All right, here's the town of Bernal. Wow, that's something. Centro. This must be the main downtown area. It's very nice. Okay, I gotta find a place to park now. Beautiful central plaza here in Bernal. It's the main church and other buildings. I'm not sure what this one is. All right, I think I'm here. So I decided to stay in Bernal for the night. I was just going to stay here for the day, but it's the middle of the afternoon. I didn't want to ride anymore. Got this hotel. There's the moto out in the back. But look at this. The best thing about this place that I'm staying, there is the Bernal monolith right out my back door. OMG. I'm so excited. I'm going to go hike that one. And not all the way, just hike up and get some views. Oh, this place is so cool. What a cool little town of Bernal. I highly recommend it. Well, I have to say there's a great view from the terrace of my hotel to the downtown area also. Not just the great view of the monolith, but the good view of the town. So I scored with this hotel. Just got lucky sometimes to get the right place. Well, good morning. It's another morning, and I slept late. It was real dark in that room, and I thought it was earlier than it was when I got up. So I'm getting a late start. You know, being a senior citizen, I sleep more hours than I used to do. I got to rest my body. You know, I'm going to have another long day today. But I'm going to try to do a little bit of hiking. I'm not going to scale it, of course, just go up there a little bit, see some views. But I got to get some coffee and some desayunos and breakfast here first. Well, I came out of my hotel here in the parking lot to get my moto all ready to go for the day, and I saw next to me is a car with a smashed windshield, and that kind of upset me a little bit. I thought, oh my gosh, somebody came in here last night and they could have vandalized me moto here. But I talked to the people that were here. They left, and they said they got in an accident. It looks like they might have hit something here, like some abutment of some kind that goes clear across. So I mean, I'm sorry for them that happened to them. They looked really sad, but I'm also glad that it didn't happen here in the parking lot. I would have been, you know, I'd say more than upset if the moto had been damaged. All right, couldn't find the entrance to get up on the trail, but there's an entrance station here. We finally found it. It's 30 pesos to go up there, which is about $1.50. Well, it's a very dry area, and as expected, there's looks like coral snakes and vipers up here, as well as other critters. So I doubt if they'll be on the trail, and I'm not going off trail. Caution, falling rocks, and I'd say so. Let's see if I can get a good shot. There's the rock. I'm underneath it, right below it. Woo. So I'm still going to go further. All right, I did it. I'm up as far as you can go without a permit. It's where it ends. It starts to get rocks on the Pena de Bernal, which is right behind me. Look at that. Look right up there. Oh, I mean, it's this photo doesn't do it justice, I'll have to say. After spending the night and hiking around Pena de Bernal, I packed up the moto and headed back on the road up to the Sierra Gorda for more adventures. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notify button if you'd like to see more of my senior moments.